Welcome to the procedure for removing the SHA Gen 4 header from a Van Hool CX35, sponsored by ABC Companies. All information provided is intended for informational purposes only and should not be used to replace either technical documents, manuals, guides, manufacturer information, or recommendations, nor the advice of a qualified professional. While the information is thought to be accurate on the date it is posted, it is provided as an as-is basis and without warranty of any kind, either expressed or implied. In addition, the information may change at any time. Parts needed will be the level sensor, O-ring, suction strainer filter. Always contact ABC Parts Department for current up-to-date part numbers. For more information on how to install these parts, go over to the ABC-Companies website and visit Grab and Go 70 DEF Header Overhaul SHA Gen 4. So now that we have access to the top of our DEF tank, let's go ahead and disconnect our DEF lines and get those out of our way. Now the DEF lines are out of the way, we want to go ahead and clamp off our coolant lines so we lose very minimal coolant and disconnect our coolant lines from the DEF header unit. Now that we have the coolant lines and the DEF lines disconnected, let's go ahead and cover up the holes to help protect them so we don't get them clogged with any kind of debris. You can use tape to do this. Next, go ahead and cut the zip ties away from the electrical connector and unplug the electrical connector so it's out of your way so you can remove the header unit. Now we're going to use an Allen head tool to go ahead and remove the screws from the top of the ring so we can remove the header unit from the tank. Now that we've removed the screws, let's go ahead and pull the ring up off the top of the header. And once we get this out of the way, we want to go ahead and clean up around this area because again, we don't want to cause any contamination to our DEF system and create more of an issue than what we already have. Now that we have the screws removed, we can go ahead and remove the header from the tank. Please note, it may not come out as easy as shown in this video. To get the header unit out of the tank, you're going to have to remove the level sensor from the unit so you can slide both of them out individually. To do that, what you're going to do is loosen up the nut on top of the sending unit to remove the sensor. Be careful not to damage the nut as we will reuse this. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull the sender up and we're going to cut the two zip ties holding the level sensor on. Now when you're cutting these zip ties, you're going to want to be careful as there is a spacer in between the header unit and the level sensor. We don't want to drop that inside the tank. Now once that's all done, we can go ahead and remove the sensor from the clips and push it out of the header. Now that we have it disconnected from the DEF header, we could either replace just the sensor or remove the whole assembly from the tank. If you have any questions regarding this video, please contact ABC Customer Care at 877-427-7278. Technical support is available at this number 24/7.